Hello everyone, my name is Ana Hernandez from Thermo-Calc software, and I am going to be the instructor for this upcoming tutorial session, Introduction to Computational Material Design to Thermo-Calc software. This tutorial session is designed as an introduction, so you don't need previous experience, you don't have to know about Thermo-Calc software. You are going to learn actually how Thermo-Calc works. You are going to learn what kind of properties you can get from the software and how you can apply or how you can implement those properties in your research. So probably you are a student or maybe a professor, or probably you are working in a company. You are welcome to join us. For the students, well, it's a good opportunity to understand a little bit more about thermodynamics as well as a phase diagrams. For professor, it's really good to understand that in order to share this knowledge with the students. And for all those engineers that are working in companies, it's a good chance as well to understand how to implement those tools into the processes in order to improve it. So during this tutorial session, we are going as well to see some examples for solidification behavior. We are going to understand the microsegregation, how to simulate the microsegregation during solidification. We are going to create as well your own phase diagram for multi-components or equilibrium diagrams for multi-component systems. You are going to understand a little bit about kinetics of diffusion and some other thermodynamic and thermophysical properties as viscosity, surface tension, etc. So it's my pleasure to invite you to participate in this tutorial session that is going to take place in the IMRC 2026 in Cancun, Mexico, on Tuesday, August 18 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'm looking forward to see you there. Bye-bye.